me how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, what's my froze? It's me, Gina, and as you guys can see, my hair is blown out. You know, a few videos back, I posted a video that I didn't like this brush, and now I'm eating my words. So yeah, before we get into this video, if you have not joined our SmartFro family, make sure you hit the subscription button as well as the notification button so you don't miss out on any new uploads. And let's get into it. So like I was saying, posted a video. I was attempting to blow out my hair so I can trim it. And I did not like this brush one fucking bit. Like, I absolutely hated it. My hair did not get straight, and I just did not trim my hair good, that I was like, you know what, I have to retrim my hair. So when I did that, that was probably about 3 weeks ago, and so I am blowing my hair out again. But this time I took your guys' advice, as well as watch Naturally 85's video on how to use this, a better technique, because I was real close to taking this stuff back. Like, it was back in the box. I had started researching other blow dryers because I was going to take it back, and the money that I spent on this, I was going to use it to put it towards another blow dryer. But I mean, with these results, I think I'm going to keep it. So my hair is freshly washed, and what I put in my hair was this Redken's Frizz Dismiss Instant Deflate, this Mayo Organics Thermal and Heat Protectant Spray, and then I put some of this Cheese Silk Infusion. Now I am going to say that this is curting on the bristles, and I don't know, because these two combinations I have used before and I know they work, but I don't know if it's, so it's like two things. I know these combinations work, but I don't know if it's curt, because both of these are serums, so I don't know if it's too many serums, and that is what's making it curt, because of the heat is so, like, it's so close. And then there's the Mayo Organics, which is new, but Mayo Organics is known to flake for me, so part of me is thinking it's this thing, because I'm just leave it at that. But I'm not like getting any smoke or anything when I put my hair. So what I did was I applied this leave-in. This is a leave-in, but it's like an oil serum type leave-in. And then I went in with this heat protectant. And then I went in with the Cheese Silk Infusion. So I might have put too many products, but we shall see. Now I'm kind of, because my hair is like getting really, really straight for it to be blow dried. So I'm kind of debating, do I want to just do a light flat iron and then really trim my hair, even though I know the flat iron is not going to last just because it's summer in Texas. But I applied these products, and now what I'm going to do is just detangle, make sure my hair is thoroughly detangled, because like I said in that other video, these bristles are just not strong enough. So I let my hair air dry for like 30 minutes, not 30 minutes, for like 3 hours in these Bantu knots. So I'm not doing it on soaking wet hair, which is what I did last time. And so I pretty much followed Naturally 85 method, but she used high heat. She did cool low for until her hair was like kind of dry, and then she went to high heat. But high is like really high for me, so I'm not going to do that. So what I'm going to do is just
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world and everything.
Okay, so I just have this one little section left. This brush definitely has a learning curve. I'm so glad I gave it another shot before I took it back, because when I tell you this thing was getting ready to go back, it was getting ready to go back. But it is making blow drying my hair a lot faster. It is getting my hair pretty bone straight. For a blow dryer, this is a really good results for a blow dryer for my thick, kinky hair. So I'm not mad. You do definitely have to use this brush vertical. Literally all the air is like up at the top portion of this, so you have to go vertical, which is something that I wasn't doing in that last video, which is why I wasn't liking the results. I'm really upset that this combination of products that I use in my hair is kind of like curting, but I don't know if it's really even curting. I really just feel as though it's because it's so hot, because then when I go like this and I can get rid of it and then it's not there anymore. So I wonder if it's just because it's so close to this blow dryer. I don't feel like my hair is burning or anything, so I'm not worried about like heat damage or anything like that. One, I don't blow dry my hair enough, and I feel like I do a really good job taking care of my hair. So if you want to know what not to do when using this brush, definitely check out my first video on this brush, because I definitely was using this brush wrong. And I definitely think I'm going to keep it. I'm glad you guys told me to give it another try and gave me tips on how to like properly use this brush. Now I will say this cool shot is not cool, so I'm gonna just take my regular blow dryer and cool shot my hair with the regular blow dryer. But this is the final results. I'm so mad that these products, because if these products didn't curd, I probably would have straightened my hair, but now they have me worried to straighten my hair. And mainly straighten my hair just because I want to give it a good trim, but I think I can work with my hair like this. But it's looking a lot longer than that last video when I had to cut out. I think I had my last video, my hair was like a blunt cut and I had to basically cut it to collarbone length. So we are growing. But yeah, so this is my final review on that Revlon hairbrush. I am glad that I tried it again. Like I said, it is a good brush and I do recommend this product. And I'm going to continue to use it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So you really made it to the end of the video. You the real MVP. But because you made it to the end of the video, I know you like my content. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other uploads. Also, make sure you check out these other 2 videos that I posted on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching.